Hello guys, we are back again with new video in which you will get to learn a lot about Forex trading, and you can also profit from my strategy. We will trade in US dollar versus Canadian dollar, in which we will take good profit if the market goes according to our setup. In this video we will manage trade with proper technical analysis and try to get good profit. I have deposited $3,500 in this account which we will grow. If we fail to grow the account, there is a lot to be learned from that failure. I will apply trade first, in which I am using 0.13 lot size. Here we will follow proper psychology and risk management, so that it will be easier for us to manage our trade. See you after placing the trade. Guys, all our trade places are gone where we are running in loss. We will try to convert it into profit. Our entry here is at the right time, which you will understand better here. I will explain you step by step why we have placed by trade. The market has been downtrend here for a long time where we are getting lower low lower high easily, but consolidation zone is also visible in the down, which has created a buying opportunity here, and we have also applied trade in the same direction. Let's draw the level by which the exact position of the market will be known and trade will be managed well. For this first trend channel will be created. Here we will take trend line for trend channel, applying it to the lower high of the downtrend. Here we have to place this trend line at the right place. All further analysis will be on this trend line. Take another trend line and apply it at the lower low point with the same angle. Connect all the points well here too. Our trend channel is working perfect in the market. The market broke our trend channel at this point and now preparing to go home, due to which we have also applied trade here because here is a good opportunity. We will not let it go like this. Now we do further analysis. We will get many important levels in future also from which it is necessary to draw. This will lead our analysis in the right direction. Here you can see the downtrend trend of the market, but at the same time there is a sideways trend inside the downtrend which I will draw. First of all, I am taking the rectangle tool from which I will draw on the multiple support resistance level. The market has reversed several times at this level, due to which this is strong support resistance level. This is the current strong level of the market. The market took support at this point and went up, creating support point here. Here the market took the same support as resistance and come down, which allowed us to see a down move. Market come again at the same place and took resistance, then we got to see the move towards down. Here also took double resistance and come down. At this point the market took support and went up, which created a bullish candle. Along with this we got to see the trendline breakout. And here the market is going up by retesting the trendline breakout, from whom support has also been taken at the same strong level, and here the bullish pin bar is also made, which indicates going up. High percentage chance the market will go up from here, because here market has given trendline breakout. We can see a good move in the uptrend where the chances of getting a good profit are high. So far our analysis is going right. Now we will create consolidation zone from which market pattern will be known, and we can see such pattern in future also. That's why the more patterns you practice, the better. Here we will again use the rectangle tool, which will be applied to these lower points. This level is acting as a support in the market, due to which the market is repeatedly taking support at this level and is reversing. Let me draw you with arrow line and explain. First the market entered consolidation zone and come to the lower strong support level. Took support from here and went up where we had strong support resistance level. Going up took resistance and come down where we again saw support. Then the market took support at the same level and reversed. Come down again with resistance from here to strong support level. Finally the market took support and went up where our trend line was. The market gave a breakout on consolidation zone with this candle and took the trend line as resistance, but after a short time the market gave a breakout to the trend line as well, due to which we got to see the confirmation with the double breakout. The market will go up from here, and we have also placed the trade of buying. We have done this analysis on 30-minute time frame. Now we will open 15-minute time frame chart, due to which the pattern of the market will be seen better. We have corrected the analysis in our opinion. Now let's see how the market reacts to this setup. If the market goes against us, we will definitely lose. Now let's put target point and stop loss, which is very important. From this we will know where we have to close the trade and where to hold the trade, so that we can manage the trade easily. Here my stop loss will be inside the trend channel and consolidation zone, which is down 57 pips. The stop loss here is the right place, so our risk is low. And the target point will be at the higher high of the new uptrend, which is 103 pips above. If the market will go according to our setup, then we can easily achieve the target. Guys, here we are still running our losses, which are around $110. We will hold the trade here so that the target may be hit. For this we need to have a lot of patience. Our stop loss and target point place is here. Our entry was on time. When the market was about to retest the trend line and consolidate zone, here we have a perfect maintenance. We draw the levels as the market moves. Finally, we got the pattern you see on which we have started buying trade place. Improve your psychology if you want to profit from the market and take risk management. Let's meet the guys after the stop loss or target is hit and see how the market rewards our analysis. We will respect the market here. We accept whatever the market turns out to be. Meet after some time.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it though. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, no waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these...
Finally, after 3 days and 11 hours, our target is going to be hit. That's a long time for a trader to be extremely patient. Only then such big targets will be achieved. There were many ups and downs in the market, but we kept our psychology strong and the result is in front of you. We have drawn the correct trend channel here, yet the market has turned a bit sideways, which delayed us in reaching the goal. We applied all the trades at this point from where the market went up a bit and again come down to where our strong support resistance level was. Guys, we made our stop loss at this place, which is still visible because we haven't hit the target yet. If this candle had hit the stop loss, we would have closed all trades, but we were lucky to see the market move till the target. It is very important to maintain your psychology in such places, by which you will also convert lost trade into profit. Our target price is only a short distance away. Before that, we will not close the trade because we always follow our rules very well. See you after hitting the target. Guys, the target is hit as we intended. The market went in the same direction. This is a big deal for us. The market respected our setup. That's why the market has given this reward. Now I close the trade. Here we are running $2,745 profit. Waited a long time to wait for this moment. Took a lot of patience. Now I close the trade. It's been a long time.
I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth.
Our account becomes $6,506, which was $3,500. We grow the account with proper risk management and psychology. Today we generated 86% return. The market is still going up here. The buyers dominate the sellers, due to which bullish momentum is created in the market. If our stop loss was hit, we would have closed all our trades, then it could not make profit, but the market supported us. The market of the trade place went up by 110 pips from where we which achieved our goal. If you practice properly on your setup and always stick to setup, then you can become a good trader. Here we hit our target only with psychology. Now we will do further analysis and make more patterns. I am removing all the arrow lines, they are of no use. Removing this will clear our chart. Here we will build the trend channel in the uptrend. We'll use trendline for this. We'll put it on the higher low of the uptrend. This trend line is acting as a support in the market. Now take another trend line, put it on higher high, which completes our uptrend channel. The market is moving in this trend channel. Downtrend channel will also connect well with uptrend channel. The market has been in both these trend channels. Our gun strategy is also working well here. If we have a breakout or retracement anywhere, there will be a good opportunity in the market. I also removed these rectangle tool so that our pattern will be clearly visible. If you always trade on new system, then you will never be able to remain profitable. It is better to do different setups. You give raise on the one setup in which you feel comfortable. If you practice on the same setup again and again, then you will become the master of that setup. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.